If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Steam, it's important to act quickly. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam application or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account details. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. View your purchase history. In the Account Details section, find and click on View Purchase History. This will show you a list of all your recent transactions, including any pending ones. Step 4. Identify the pending transaction. Look for the transaction that is currently pending. It should be marked clearly in your purchase history. Click on it to see more details. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. If the option to cancel is available, you will see a cancel button or link next to the pending transaction. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. If you encounter any issues or the option to cancel is not available, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.